Hello there! Welcome back again to my channel, Hacking Mind. I was thinking from a long time about what the next video I have to do. Most of us have many of devices broken in his house and suddenly just to drop it in a trash. But I found that we can reuse some parts inside and make it useful again. So I started by one of my devices and I thought that it will be a good experiment and very exciting to do. And it's really not very exciting because anyway, I would tell you what happened. I have a MacBook Pro 2011 broken because there's some issue, a little problem in a logical part, but it's not a little problem. It's a really very bad. Anyway, it makes my logical board is not working anymore. So I can't use this device anymore. So I was thinking how I can use the other part inside this device. There's many other parts working very well, like a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. But I don't know how I can use this. Like the keyboard and the touchpad. It's amazing. You can use it as externally, but still this is very hard to me. So I was thinking about the LCD display. You know, Apple's doing a very good job for making a very high quality and resolution with their display in laptops. So I was thinking, okay, so why not use this LCD display as a dependable display for me? So what about to do this? And I have no idea how I can do this. So I searched online a lot and I found it's possible to do that. And I found that there was many success experiments. When I watched many videos about this project, I understand the concept of the video. LCD is just an LCD. So if you want to operating this LCD as other things, like a dependable device, it's not attached with the laptop, okay, you need some board, a controller board and a driver board. It's like the motherboard controlling of LCD have an input and output to make the LCD dependable device, like a TV or display or anything else. It's a very simple concept, and I thought this is a very easy. Okay, so let's buy one of these boards and make it work. And I found there's a lot of kind of boards. And I searched online a lot again. I can't find which one is suitable and compatible with my LCD. Yeah, this is a very big problem. So, okay, anyway, I tried to watch again with the others YouTubers video to find out how I can understand the models of my LCD and the compatibility with the controller board. And it was very hard. And there is some websites you have to put the model of your LCD. And how you can find this model of LCD, this is one of LCDs I had. I just grab it from the 15-inch MacBook. And usually the model, it will be printed in the back label in the panel of LCD, like this. I don't know if you can really see it or not. But anyway, since you have the model number, you can search about the compatible board. Yeah, should be easy. And I found there's 100 of other issues about this because not all suppliers online, they are putting the more details. So I thought that if I can contact the supplier by myself and show him my LCD, give him the full information, I can get my compatible driver and controller board, and then my project will be working. but I want to tell you that I was very excited at the beginning, and I will show you this.
Well, as you see, this is the LCD for the MacBook Pro 2011 15-inch. And this LCD, after you remove it, the front glass, you will can to remove the LCD panel like this. This is the LED which making the light to light the LCD here. Since you want to make this as dependable, you will notice there is a kind of port, a special port here. For making this LCD as a dependable monitor, you need to buy some parts. These parts to make this working dependably. And if you really want to know where's the compatible parts with your LCD, you have to look at these numbers and keep it in your mind. And when you buy the parts, you have to ask the compatible parts with this model number, as you see here. This is the key of everything. So the parts you need, it's kind of control board driver to make this CD is working as well. So I bought these parts from China and just arrived today. And for that, I start to make the video quickly because I'm really excited to test this. And these parts, it's should be a lot of parts here inside. It's 8 parts. Contains the control board, the driver board, and the speakers, and the power supply, and the cables, which should be compatible with your model, and the books to contain the boards. So let's unbox this one. This is the power supply adapter and speakers. I don't know why we need a screw. Alright. And they put everything here together. Okay. How they put it this like this. I'm very worried to help me by the cutter. I'm not everything. This is the remote control. Okay. I think they plugged every part of together, so I don't need to plug anything. They make the job. So this is the board, which will be the driver board for the LCD. And as you see here, it's contained the power supply board and the Vega board, HDMI and video audio and output speakers, and also the USB and TV. So since you want to use this, it's available for everything. And let me see how they do that. This should be the cable to be attached to the screen. This is the control board, which should be, I don't know if it's broken or not, but it's loose. You know, I have no idea. So let's remove this stuff. And I don't know, what is it? Oh, this is the box. Yeah, I asked it about a box I can contain all these ports inside, and they said they have one. So I will try to find how I can use these ports too. I will decide to check first how I can make it work. So first I will take the LCD and try to connect it with the power supply and see if it will be working or not. So the cable should be, should be the connector to the LCD, and the place should be here in this area. And okay, this is the moment of truth. I don't know if it will work or not. Okay, now I attach the cable. So put the LCD here now. Okay. As you see, there is a light indicator here. It's turn it on. Okay. Oh, that's really weird.
So my project was failed, and I will tell you what happened exactly. The first thing I found is the controller board and the driver board is not compatible with my LCD. Even thus, I tried to do this experiment again, and I bought another LCD, the same model of this LCD, and the same result. But I made it more worse. I will tell you how. There is a kind of a damper inside the board to adjust the voltage. I think I burned both LCD, so I lost the available LCDs I have now, and I will try hard to make this project again, maybe later on, because I will never stop. So I learned something from this project. That's any kind of experiments, even I failed in this experiment, but I still learned how I can use it. Maybe next time be better. And see you soon with another project. Hacking Minds.